Here's how to revert a commit in Git. In about 2 minutes, I'll show you 2 ways to do it. One for commits you've already pushed, and one for commits that are still local. If this helps, consider liking and subscribing. Thanks! Go ahead and open up your terminal either in your code editor or a standalone window and make sure you're inside your project directory. If you're not sure where you are, you can type pwd to check your current path. If your commit has already been pushed, the safe way to undo it is with git revert head. This creates a brand new commit that reverses the changes from your most recent one, so your history stays intact, which is nice. Git will open a default commit message in your text editor, and you can type :W+Q+exclamation point+enter to confirm that commit revert. Then just push up that commit with git push. If you need to undo a commit that's further back, run git log --oneline to see your history, grab the commit ID and type git revert, followed by that ID. Now, if you haven't pushed the commit yet, you can use git reset instead. This one actually removes the commit from your history. Type git reset soft head -1, and that rolls back one commit but keeps all your changes staged so you can edit and recommit. If you want to unstage the changes too, use git reset head -1 without any flag. That's the default mode, and it keeps your files but clears the staging area. Then there's git reset hardhead -1, which removes the commit and deletes the changes entirely. Just be careful with that one, since there's no getting those changes back. Here's the quick rule. If the commit is already pushed, use git revert because it's safe for shared branches. If it's still local, git reset gives you more control. Pretty much, revert adds history and reset removes it. That's all there is to it. You've got 2 ways to undo commits in Git: revert for pushed commits and reset for local ones. Now you can roll back changes without messing up your project. Thanks for watching.